Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called servo system. Servo system is one of the automatic control systems. It is used to control the rotation angle or displacement of the controlled object so that it can automatically, continuously, and accurately re-enter the input command. It is usually a closed loop control system with the negative feedback, and in some cases open loop control can be used to achieve its function. In practical applications, an automatic control system such as a numerically controlled machine tool generally adopts a mechanical position or an angle as a control object. The drive motor used in the servo system is required to have the characteristic of fast response, speed, accurate positioning, and large movement of inertia. Such a dedicated motor is called servo motor. The dedicated drive unit for this type of motor is called servo drive unit, sometimes referred to as simply servo, and typically includes a torque, speed, and or a position loop. The working principle is simply that the speed and position signals are fed back to the driver through the rotary encoder and the rotary transformer on the basis of open loop controlled AC/DC motor to perform closed loop negative feedback and adjustment control. Coupled with the current loop inside the drive, these three closed loop adjustment improve the accuracy and time response of the motor's output to the set points. The servo system is a dynamic follow-up system, and the steady state balance achieved is also a dynamic balance. Thanks for watching. Bye.